Hello Titi Squad! My puppy restaurant is now open for the very first time, serving vegetarian food for my puppy Marley today. My new puppy, in fact. He's going to be reviewing this delicious, healthy food and getting his opinion. So let's get started. Welcome to the restaurant, Marley. How you feeling? Hungry? Yeah, I hope you're feeling hungry because I've got for you the most healthy dishes ever. Would you like to take a look at this? What is it, Marley? What? What's wrong? Come get it. Come try. He's hiding. I don't think he likes the look of it. Marley, look, up here. So, are you going to try it? There you go. Do your thing. Ooh, is it nice? Don't run away with it. You have to have it up here. There you go. Ooh, is that good? That looks very good. Take a bite. Oh, that was a very big bite. Here. Ooh, is it broccoli? Are you ready to try some? Yeah? Okay, I'll get a piece off for you. Just to test, see if you like it. There you go. Oh! What do you think? Oh! Well, he's ate it all, so I'll give you a bit more because I think you like that. Is that nice? Gosh, you're a fast eater, Marley. So, Marley, this is your second dish. A lovely carrot. Look at this, Marley. Marley, what's this? Come see. What is it? Come on. Come up. Good boy. Look at this, Marley. This is your second dish. It's called a carrot, by the way. Looks very interesting, right? So, Marley, your brother Charlie has got allergies, as we all know, of course. But he can have carrots, so he can join you on this round. Why are you being Marley? Oh, good boy. Okay, let's go get Charlie. Come on, Charlie! Charlie! Come get the carrot! Charlie! Charlie, what are you doing on the table in the restaurant? Charlie! You can't come up here. Oh gosh, not Marley as well. Charlie! Marley! Charlie slipped in! Charlie! Are you alright, Charlie? Here's your carrot. Good boy. Ooh! Oh! Do you like it? Do you know what this is, Marley? Look at it. What do you think? Okay. Oh, don't bite it yet. I'll get you a piece. Here you go. What do you think to that? Green beans. Yummy. Nope, he likes it. Good boy. All gone. Oh, you're back. Do you want a bit more? Greedy. Here's an ASMR. This is really big. Guess what it is? What do you think it is, Marley? No, it's cauliflower. Okay, I'll get you a piece to taste, okay? Right, here we are. Are you excited? Here. Oh. chomping that up. Very messy eater, I must say. Oh, get it? Can't reach. And he's given up. Molly, come up. Would you like a tiny bit more before your next dish? Yep. Okay. Oh, get a piece. Get it. Uh-oh. There you go. Get it, Marley. There. Good boy. All gone. Come on, Marley. Are you ready for the last dish? Have you been enjoying the restaurant today? What do you think this is, Marley? It's sweet potato. Okay, I'll get you a piece to try. Is that okay for you? I think so. Okie dokie. Oh, you ate that very fast. You want a tiny bit more? Good. Well, it looks like you liked that one then, Marley, because you look like you want more. Would you like to come back to the restaurant again? Because I think you have enjoyed it. You ate all of the foods. You like them all. But yeah, next time we'll have to get Charlie to have some food as well. So, do you want Charlie to come back with you? Because I know we tried to today, but you kind of pulled him off the table with his tail, Marley. Yeah, that was a bit naughty. But okay, I hope you enjoyed this restaurant. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I think Marley is ready for a nice, lovely nap or something like that. Say goodbye, Marley. Oh, okay, that's good enough. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a big like, just like what Marley said. So yeah, I love you all. See you soon. Bye. Say bye, Marley. Good boy. Marley's been a very good boy in the restaurant today, so I've got you a little surprise. Look, what's this, Marley? It's a toy carrot, because you liked the carrots earlier. There you go.